Joseph, what are you doing?
I'm looking for a good used spark plug.
What are you going to do with that?
I want to make myself a spark tester.
They're like $5.
Yeah, but I like mine al dente. You know what I mean?
What do you mean?
Well, the ones that you get, the wire is like this long. The one I'm going to make is going to be long and it can connect to the battery. I'll show you what I mean. Let me just get a good one that I like. A spark tester is a tool to see if a car has spark or not. Like, let's say the car doesn't run and you're trying to see what the issue is. To check the spark, you use a spark tester. Now, I'm going to show you how to make one. You need 6 items to make a spark tester. A small clamp, a spark plug, a cone, a big clamp, a welder, and a nice piece of wire. Come with me. Alright, now I'm going to get some 10 gauge black wire from Dorman. Now, 99.9% of the times, ground wire is either green, black, or brown. Now, I'm going to use black. So, we're going to do that.
Hey, this is a nice shelf over here.
Yeah, it looks nice, right? Yeah, Dorman sent me another 4 assortments. Grade 8 bolts, it has grade 5, washers, cotter pins, nuts, and it's metric. Very important to have in a shop. Very important.
You made the table?
Yeah, I made the table. Check it out.
Beautiful. Adjustment feet?
Yes, yes.
Oh, yeah. That's the way to do it, baby.
Just real quick, do it. Just got to get the job done. Come with me. Let's make this spark tester. Now, the first thing you do, you get the big clamp and the spark plug, and you weld it to the base of the spark plug. Come here. Now, I welded the 2 pieces together. Now, you're going to cut your wire to your desired length. I'm going to go 3 feet.
Oh, right here. You got right here.
Good. Splice both sides. Now, you crimp the wire into the clamp. Just like so. But later, I'm going to solder it up. Now, we're going to do the same thing like we did on the other side, but with the smaller clamp. Now, the comb is for your hair. You gotta look good when you go test it, because we're gonna go test it right now. You know what I mean? So, let's actually go test it now. Alright, so this end would work fine, but let's say you have a car that's plastic, or there is a ground, but it's rusted, or it's corroded, that becomes a bad conductor. And that's why I put this long wire, because I'm gonna put this end on the best ground of the car. It is the negative side of the battery. So I'm going to put it on, right? And I'm just going to put it on this plastic part here. Beautiful. Now, I'm going to take this off, and you're going to connect it on the spark plug. Now, if the spark plug sparks, you're fine. If it doesn't, you got a spark problem. Watch this. Now, that's how you do it if you want to get it done, right?
Yeah, if it's $5, $7, you could have bought one already done.
Yeah, but I made my own. I know the functions of it. I made my own.
Well, I guess that's how you're going to do it if you're going to take over the world.